unload filament, then press start. Please wait while Before we get started, we'll need the following materials. Prior to cleaning the nozzle, we must first unload the filament. We'll begin the unloading process by first making sure your XYZ printer is connected to a computer that has the XYZ Maker Suite software downloaded. Once connected, launch XYZprint on your computer. From here, select Filament, unload filament, then press Start. Please wait while your printer heats up and begins extracting the filament. Once this process is complete, press the release arm, then pull the filament out. Lastly, we will manually roll up the filament and then remove the spool. Now that the filament has been unloaded, let's clean the nozzle. Back on XYZprint, select Extruder, Clean Nozzle, then please read over the instructions on the screen and then select Start. The temperature will begin to rise. While the extruder is heating up, let's remove the guide tube. To do so, press down on the coupling, then pull and remove the guide tube. Please be sure to keep your hands away from the extruder nozzle as it will be very hot. With the cleaning pin, insert into the guide hole located at the top of the extruder. If there is any filament inside the extruder, it will begin dispensing out of the nozzle head. Now insert the clean wire into the nozzle at different angles to ensure the nozzle is clean. Continue using the cleaning wire and the cleaning needle until no more filament comes out of the extruder nozzle. Now that the nozzle is clean, let's reinstall the guide tube back into the extruder. Congratulations, we have successfully unloaded the filament and cleaned the nozzle. Stay tuned next time for more helpful 3D printing tutorials.